Hello, my name is Brandon Chandler, and I'm going to explain the phases of the moon. And I will do this in 5 steps. The first step is going to be explaining the solar system and the moon. The second step is going to be the 8 phases of the moon. The third step is going to be the unique phases of the moon, for example, solar eclipses. The fourth step is going to be the importance of the moon, why we need it. And the fifth step is going to be other moons on other planets. Now, to start off, our solar system is composed of 1 star, our sun, 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. We have a few dwarf planets such as Pluto, Ceres, Eris, and we have many comets and asteroids. The planet we live on, Earth, has a moon, which we call simply the moon. It is useful in many ways, and we will discuss that in a later step. The second step is the 8 phases. The first phase, new moon, then waxing crescent, then the first quarter, then the waxing gibbous, then the full moon, then the waning gibbous, third quarter, and waning crescent. The moon is tidally locked, which means that its rotation and revolution period are almost the same. So we see the exact same face of the Earth. However, the dark side of the moon is not real because the sun hits the side of the moon, every side of the moon. Now to step 3, the rare phases of the moon. You have the solar eclipses, which the sun would be right here, the moon would be right here, and the earth would be right here. The sun would make the moon cast a shadow on the earth, which would in turn cause it to be a solar eclipse. And then you have lunar eclipses, which the sun would be here, the earth would be here, and the moon would be right here. And the earth would cast its shadow on the moon, and the sun would cause the moon to have a red color, which gets its name, the blood moon. Total eclipses are probably the rarest solar eclipses. According to author Bruce McClure in the article earthsky.org, the next total eclipse for North America will come on April 8th, 2024. And then you have the supermoons, which are closer to the Earth, and they appear 7% bigger than your average moon, average full moon. And I have a picture of this said moon compared to the micromoon right here. And the supermoon is 14% bigger than the micromoon. And moving on to the next step, step 4, I am now going to discuss the importance of our moon and why we need it. And the moon does 2 very important things. It gives us the ocean's waves, and it allows the Earth's rotation to slow down due to the gravity. According to planetfacts.org, if the Earth's rotation were faster, then every day would be shorter. Shorter days would result in the temperature on Earth taking a substantial drop, which would change the climate, and therefore make it harder to do crops. And then on the final step, other moons on other planets. Planets like Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Mars have moons, including our own. Mercury and Venus are the only 2 major planets in our solar system that do not have moons. It's due to how small they are. Jupiter and Saturn have a vast amount of moons due to how huge they are. Jupiter has moons such as Callisto, Europa, and Ganymede. According to reference.com, Some planets have more moons than the others because they are larger and made of gas rather than solids. Thank you.